Hey everyone, this is Abby, your hygienist here at ToothTime. So you know the drill. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below on any content you'd like to see. So let's get started. So this patient right here is probably one of our favorite cases. This patient was in braces for about 24 or so months, and today they're getting their braces off. And so a lot of you, the patients, are always curious, is it going to hurt? Is it going to bother me? It's just going to be a little bit sore when we're taking off the braces. You might feel a little bit pressure, especially in the front teeth, since you have one root and those teeth are a little bit more mobile than the other teeth. You'll feel a little bit more sensitivity. You can always have or request the clinician to give you a cotton roll, and you can bite on it to help with any of the pressure that you might feel as they're removing the brackets. And this is why this is one of the favorite cases that our YouTube subscribers really like to see, because of this reason right here. The patient came in initially to have treatment done on his front tooth. He had a missing front tooth. He went somewhere else to have treatment done on the front teeth. They bonded some composite material to just kind of make a bridge of a tooth. It didn't work out for him, so that's why he came to us, and we went ahead and removed that bonding material of the fake tooth. And then this is why he has that space, because he has a missing front tooth. Now during the time of treatment, what we did, we applied what we call a pontic, which is a fake tooth to try to keep the space and maintain the space that he had, so we can align everything. So the final treatment, he is going to have an implant placed in that area. So this has been one of the favorite cases, because a lot of people don't know that you can still get your braces done even if you have a missing tooth, especially in the front, like this patient that came in. You can definitely have orthodontic treatment done to kind of align everything. So in the future, if you want to have an implant, if you want to have a bridge, or if in the meantime you need to just have a partial in place until you're able to put something a little bit more permanent, you can go ahead and get your orthodontic treatment done. So you have to make sure you maintain good oral health care at home by using the recommended products that we always have. And you can go ahead and go to our storefront, and we'll go ahead and link it for you below. So you can go ahead and invest in yourself. And I say invest because sometimes these things might seem like a big investment, but in the future it's really a small investment. And that is a water pick, an electric toothbrush, some floss threaders, some tooth bristles, and then also some fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride toothpaste is good because it helps strengthen your enamel, reduces any sensitivity and any cavities as well. Especially during the time that you have braces, you're more prone to build up bacteria, food impaction, and a lot of these products will go ahead and remove and reduce any of that can cause inflammation in your gums. So as you can see, the braces were removing on the top and on the bottom, but as you remove them, there's a lot of bleeding and inflammation. Inflammation is caused by the main source of bacteria buildup. Bacteria, it's built up by not really brushing, not really flossing, and in this case, unfortunately, the patient was not as dedicated or persistent to doing so. So you have to make sure you maintain good oral health care at home by using the recommended products that we always have, and you can go ahead and go to our storefront and we'll go ahead and link it for you below. And as a hygienist, it is in me to have to clean some of the patient's teeth. So in this case, the patient, as it was removing the braces, we went ahead and just kind of touched up his gums, removed any of the plaque. You can see a lot of the bleeding that the patient is having because there was a lot of food impaction and bacteria buildup underneath the gum lines. And if you're curious to see how the teeth are cleaned, you can go ahead and click on the link above and that will take you directly to that video. And don't forget, give us a like, and that helps us out so much. And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and place a retainer, but with the retainer we're gonna go ahead and place his Pontic in the area that he has missing space. So in the meantime, in order for the patient to have some retention and not have a missing tooth in the front, we're gonna go ahead and make him an Essex on top. And so what an Essex is a clear retainer that the patient is gonna wear after the braces have been taken off. In this case, what we did, we took an impression and we attached the Pontic to the retainer with some dental adhesive material. The patient would wear this Essex until they're able to get their upper Holly with the Pontic on there, until they're able to get their implant. So all of this, the Essex, the Holly, is just temporary until they're able to get their implant on the top. And in case you're wondering what's a time frame with retainers, we usually recommend to wear your retainers for 6 months, day and night. And then after that, you can go ahead and wear it nighttime wear up to a year or indefinitely. But make sure, it's very important and crucial to be dedicated to wearing this Essex in the beginning, as you're at high risk for relapsing because you just had your braces taken off. And that's it for today's video. If you liked our video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and comment below. If you like our content, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.
If you like braces content and you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Yeah.